Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are fine and safe. I am going to teach you the first chapter of computer, that is history of computers. So children, when you do addition or subtraction in mathematics, so how do you calculate it? The first thing that can come to your mind is finger counting. The computer that we use today is a result of thousands of improvements that have occurred over a period of time. So in early stage, early man uses many kinds of things to calculate. The early calculating devices are stones, sticks, fingers, pebbles, and cowries. After that, mechanical counting devices were made because humans have only 10 fingers to calculate and 10 toes. So to calculate further, mechanical counting devices were made. The first mechanical counting device was abacus. Abacus was the first calculating device invented in 3000 BCE in China to count large numbers. It consisted of a wooden frame holding several wooden or metallic rods. Abacus was used to perform simple calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And today it is still used by teachers to teach the concept of place value and simple arithmetic operations. The second mechanical counting device was Napier's bones. Napier's bones was invented by John Napier in 1616. It is a set of rectangular rods marked with numbers, and it was designed to perform simple calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. After mechanical counting devices, electromechanical counting devices were made. So first electromechanical counting device was Pascaline. It was invented by Blaise Pascal in 1642 and it was the first mechanical calculator. It was a box with 8 movable wheels called dials. It was used to add, subtract, divide and multiply numbers as big as thousands by these dials. Second is Leibniz calculator. It was invented by German mathematician Gottfried Wilhelm von Leibniz in 1671. Apart from simple add, subtract, multiply and divide numbers, it could also find square roots, and it consists of a stepped drum called Leibniz wheel. Third is Jacquard loom. It was invented by Joseph Marie Jacquard in 1801. It used punched wooden cards to weave detailed patterns including pictures and text, and it can be considered as the first read-only memory device. Fourth is the difference engine. It was made by Charles Babbage in 1822. It was used to perform complex mathematical operations. Fifth is analytical engine. It was also designed by Charles Babbage in 1823 by a thought of a mechanical construction which was known as mechanical digital computer. This device could also prepare mathematical tables. Babbage called this analytical engine. This provides a base for the development of modern computer. That's why Charles Babbage is rightly called the father of computers. Now, Boolean logic. Boolean logic was designed by George Boole, which became the fundamental principle for designing computer circuits. After electromechanical counting devices, electronic counting devices were made. The first electronic counting device was made by Hermann Hollerith in 1889. He invented a machine called punch card tabulator. It was an electronic counting device based on punched cards, and he invented this counting machine to count the population of USA. And he was also the founder of the famous company IBM. Major developments in the calculating devices took place in the 20th and early 21st centuries, that is modern calculating device, or we can say computers. The first digital electronic computer ABC was developed by John V. Atanasoff and Clifford E. Berry. It consisted of vacuum tubes instead of mechanical switches. It was called Atanasoff-Berry computer, or we can say ABC. It is used the binary number system like modern computers. Second was Z3, that was designed by Konrad Zuse. It was the world's first programmable and fully automatic computing machine. Now Harvard Mark I. Harvard Mark I was designed by Howard H. Aiken. It was built in partnership with Harvard and IBM in 1944. This was the first programmable digital computer developed in United States. This machine weighed 5 tons and had 500 miles of wire. It was 8 feet in height and 51 feet in length. ENIAC, or we can say Electronic Numerical Integrator and Calculator, was the first fully functional electronic digital computer that was designed by John Mauchly and J. Presper Eckert. It was larger and more flexible than earlier computers. Now UNIVAC, or we can say Universal Automatic Computer, was the first commercial computer manufactured in USA, and it was also designed by John Mauchly. So children, you have learned the first chapter of computer. So we will meet another day with another chapter. Till then, take care. Bye bye.